What's up everyone, welcome to this video. In this video I will show you how to fix the mobile hotspot not working issue in MagicOS 8. So to fix this issue, first of all try restarting your phone. So to restart, press and hold on this power button. And then from this menu tap on restart. So when you will tap on this restart option here, it will restart your phone, and after restarting your phone the hotspot will start working properly. But if you are still facing the issue after restarting, then swipe down and open quick settings panel, and from here turn on and off hotspot 2 to 3 times. And after that the hotspot settings will be refreshed and hotspot will start working properly. But if you are still facing the issue, then check if your internet is working properly or not. So to check that, open a web browser. Now open the website. You can open any website. Now after opening the website, check if the website is loading perfectly or not. So if it's loading very slow, it means your internet connection is not working and you have to fix your internet connection before using hotspot. But if the website is loading perfectly, then move to the next solution. So the next and last solution is open settings. Scroll down to the end and tap on system and updates, and then tap on software update. Now from here update the mobile software to the latest version, and after updating the software to the latest version, the hotspot issue will be 100% fixed. So that's how you can fix the mobile hotspot not working issue in your MagicOS 8. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.